I'm creating this video to give you an understanding of what I'm attempting to create and provide for the students, specifically at the EPIC. So essentially this is the course page website that I have, and on here what I will do is I will continue to build upon additional courses, and it gives you an idea of what is available and what is being currently worked on. As you go through here, and you can check out the syllabus to see exactly what is being offered per class. And I also have sign-up forms, and this sign-up form looks like this, and it allows me to get the information needed, specifically the student's email address, and then the parents, and then the name and username, which course they want to be signed in. And I will take that email address and I'll apply it to the course website, giving everybody access that wants it. But what exactly does this course website look like? Well, as some of you notice, I have completed the Python course website and offering it for this year. Essentially it looks like this. You'll have a frequently asked questions on the side. This will continue to grow as the students ask more and more questions. I will answer accordingly, and this will be your first hit as far as has this question already been asked and answered. If you go through and look at the syllabus, each course website will have the main syllabus, and it will give you an idea of what each one of them provides. As you are inside the website, you can click on these links and go through, and this again is self-paced. I merely put up the weeks just to give it some structure. But as for Python, what it looks like is the installation, the checking, and some of the terminology and examples of what you could utilize here. The quiz on the first getting started is basically simple questions of, have you installed Python? What version of Python? Are you using the IDEs? Those type of questions. Whereas as we go into the actual course period of teaching, then the quizzes will reflect that week's information. And then as you go through the course and complete and finish it, then you'll have the final quiz. And the final quiz, once you have successfully passed it, then I will provide you a certificate of completion with your name on it that you can use toward your computer credits. I want to go ahead and build this out a little bit more, but a little bit of that later when the students arrive. So that's what it kind of looks like. If I wanted to, I'll jump in here on the individual pages. So on the individual pages themselves, it'll have some information, but also have videos, because I think video tutorials is probably going to be the best way in a lot of these courses of seeing it in action. So as an example here on week 1, unit 1, you'll have the video tutorial that's available after you watch it. In addition to it, you're going to have the Python code that you can just copy and paste into your computer and work along with the video and have a better understanding of what's going on. I hope that provides you some information, but that's how I'm building this out. As an example, on Google Docs, which is a lot more videos that's provided. In fact, over 25 videos I have for Google Docs, because while the videos are short, it goes through every single possible utilization of the Google Docs as well as Google Sheets. Hope that helps. Have any more questions or anything, reach out to me at authormattcole@gmail.com, or just reach out to me through Facebook.